Here we want to find the exact value without using a calculator. We want to find the tangent of 4 pi over 3. To do this problem, it will help to know that tangent, and hence cotangent, is also a periodic function. But unlike sine and cosine, it has a period of pi. So the tangent of x plus pi n is equal to the tangent of x. And cotangent of x plus pi n is equal to cotangent of x, provided that n is equal to 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, and so on. So to do this problem, let's note that 4 pi over 3 is equal to pi plus pi over 3. Therefore, the tangent of 4 pi over 3 is equal to the tangent of pi plus pi over 3, which means that we're finding the tangent of pi over 3. Now, the tangent of pi over 3 is, again, that represents the sine of pi over 3 divided by the cosine of pi over 3. So if we take a look at pi over 3, we know that we have the square root of 3 over 2 is the sine of pi over 3, and we know that cosine of pi over 3 is 1/2, and if we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, we get the square root of 3 over 1, which is equal to the square root of 3. So, trig evaluation final thoughts. As we saw in the previous examples, if you know that the first quadrant of the unit circle, you can find the value of any trig function, not just sine and cosine, for any angle that can be related back to one of those shown in the first quadrant. This is a nice idea to remember, as it means that you only need to memorize the first quadrant and how to get the angles in the remaining 3 quadrants. In these problems, I used only basic angles, but many of the ideas here can also be applied to angles other than these basic angles, as we'll see in solving trig equations.